All right. All right, meal prep number 4. Since I'm hungry as fuck, we're gonna see what we have in the fridge. Shit. We got some steak with some bell peppers. Got some milk. Ooh. Got a lot of rice. Ooh. Got some more steak pieces, which actually went bad. So, that's gains loss. Ooh, got some more steak. Got some eggs. All right, I think we got our breakfast. Got some eggs. Got some steak. Okay, we're gonna make a new meal out of an old meal. Gotta put some olive oil, bitch. And a lot of people might be thinking, well, how much macros? Shit, right now your macros are 0. So whatever I'm having is better than nothing. The point is not to make too much of a mess. Look at that. The point is to eat. More protein potentially means more gains than losses. We're trying to gain. We're gonna put some more protein, some more carne. That way it doesn't go bad. Because one thing I know for sure is America's getting expensive. California getting expensive. So yes, I got to eat. I got to eat. On top of that, we're gonna add a few eggs. Stir this bitch up. It's like a 3-day-old rice. It's a little harder, but that's okay. That's what the egg is for. Let's see. Easy. Mentality beats genetics every single time. Big bag. Got your veggies. Some of you might be saying, "Oh, I don't know how to cook." Look, neither do I. Neither do I. Who the fuck cares? Everybody starts somewhere. difference is I'm going to leave this behind. It's like I'm going to leave this fat tummy behind. I'm never going to get a bag. Open kind of sucks. I didn't even make it to the competition. Didn't even get entered. It was kind of a waste. But, you know, you live and you learn. Let's see. Not too bad. Got some meat. Pretty good portions. Leftovers. Oh, damn. My stomach is rumbling. The rumble in the jungle. And a quesadilla. Yeah. The egg definitely hydrates the dry rice. Plus the steak in there. Ow. I burned. Mm. Mm. Easy. Mm. Oh. Week 4. Mm. 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 Ooh. Oh. 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 That shit's hot. That's it, folks. That's week number 4. Make sure to like and subscribe. Get those motherfucking gains. Bam, week 4.